Every pore on our face is like a tiny doorway that needs proper care. Today, our skincare doctor is treating stubborn blackheads that have been stuck for a long time. Using precise extraction techniques and sterilized tools, each blackhead is carefully removed to avoid irritation and keep the skin healthy. Clean pores are the foundation of clear, glowing skin. Watch as the patient's face transforms, looking fresher and smoother with every single extraction. Do you struggle with the same skin problems? Don't wait until it gets worse. Start taking care of your skin today. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any upcoming professional blackhead removal videos. Leave a comment if you want to see more deep pore cleaning like this.